looking for the roots of the Japanese. Some researchers believe that the Ainu were descendants of Caucasians, judging from their appearance. Kanagawa's National Kakuritsu Keikyu University. Dr. Hirai Satoshi, who studies mitochondrial DNA, believes that the Ainu people are the key to Japanese origins. Dr. Hirai takes blood samples from the 1960s and analyzes the mitochondrial DNA to search for the origins of the Ainu people. There were Jomon people who lived on the Japanese islands over 12,000 years ago. Dr. Hirai believes that the origins of the Ainu are the Jomon Japanese. In order to look at the relationship between the Jomon and the Ainu, Dr. Hirai looked into the mitochondrial DNA of Jomon bones excavated from 3 areas nationwide. He compared 5,900-year-old Jomon remains found in Saitama Prefecture's Toda city with modern Ainu. He found an exact genetic match with the Ainu. The relationships between the Jomon people and the Ainu people, which were not clear through archaeological studies, have become obvious through DNA. The roots of the Ainu are the Jomon Japanese. South America's Atacama Desert, located at the foothills of the Andes Mountains. The research team came here to research because it is believed that tribes that live near the Andes have a very close connection with the Jomon Japanese. The descendants of these people should still be living around here, and their DNA should be in the mummies. For tens of thousands of years, people referred to as Mongoloids lived all over the Asian continent and advanced to Siberia. The Ice Age approximately 12,000 years ago. The Bering Strait connected and there were people who crossed over to North America. In Chile's North Catholic University, they have safeguarded a mummy from 6,000 years ago. Doctors Hirai and Tajima extract mitochondrial DNA from the ancient mummy. This is the bone marrow of an adult woman. We were able to get it out very cleanly. Raul is a traditional Quechua musician. Back at Dr. Jorge's lab, the extraction of the mummy's mitochondrial DNA has begun. They succeeded in extracting DNA from 58 mummies. This is Raul's genetic sequence. 564 letters. Comparing these two sequences, we find that the mummy's genetic sequence is identical to Raul's. After comparison, 12 mummies had an identical genetic sequence with Raul. How about the connection with the Jomon Japanese and the people who crossed over to the Andes? We compared Raul's DNA with the Ainu people, who are identical to the Jomon Japanese. Out of 564 letters, only 2 were different. Out of 27,000 different people analyzed across the world, the closest to the native South American people are the Ainu people. In other words, the people who crossed over to the Andes and the ancient Japanese are closer to each other, even among Mongoloids.